Hello friends, welcome to my channel and welcome to my road trip in Spain, a beautiful country having lots of beautiful cities and towns and villages. Right now I'm heading toward one of the most beautiful town of Spain called Frigiliana, located in South Spain, Malaga province. You can see the starting point of this town, how beautiful it is, and everything is in white color and it's shooting with green landscape around. So after long drive we have reached this town. So that one is the old city center area situated on hillside, and all houses shops are in whitewash, and from this distance it look like very rhythmic and gorgeous. There are enough parking for cars and buses. After parking, we are walking toward Old City Center area. It seems very beautiful from this angle, and still we are in beginning of this town, and we are walking toward it. As I told you that old town is on hill slope, so we have to take lots of steps and sloping ramp to reach there. Ultimately we have reached at the main street, and streetscapes look gorgeous and whole area looks white heaven. The streets are cobble and the paving patterns are artistic. You can see the art on the streets. I have been to many places in Spain, but this town is very unique. Believe me, I have never seen town like this before. They have preserved every house and street here, and this whitewash is making the whole town cool and eye-catching. And you can see these narrow streets. It has landscaping, unique paving area, and this white. This is just the beginning of the town. Let's go inside and see what is there in the streets.